Good day. We are going to make today one Facebook ads campaign to make some redirection of the traffic to one website that I have, and I'm going to create a new campaign, and the target is traffic. First, it shows the traffic, and then we're going to it's better if we left in the Google optimization. We're going to put the daily bucket that we're going to use. For example, we are going to make this campaign with $10 daily. We're going to set the bid cap. Press continue. I'm going to put traffic 2 for the set name. We are going to choose the traffic for one website, and here we are going to create a new audience, or we can use one saved audience. Here we have health promotion, digital marketing, make money online, lead campaign, promo Insta, I'm going to use this for social media marketing, entrepreneurships. I'm going to use it. It's about 780,000 people. I want to select the bid cap. To put $1. Here you can manage the cost per click. So for 1,000 click. standard. Press continue. Maybe we can make one single video, a slideshow. We can use about 10 pictures. We can use one single picture here. I want to use this. I want to select the picture. I want to load one from my computer. I'm going to choose one picture that don't have too much letter inside, because sometimes Facebook don't accept that pictures. They don't want to run your ads. They want to stop it and send you one notification say that your ad is not approved. Check, I have some images for digital marketing here. Example, this, let me see that had good size, because they said that had to be 1067 pixels. So we choose that image and we press continue. Check in mobile, desktop. Check in everywhere. Then you put the description of your ad. As you have to put in that side, you're going to see in that place. And you put the link for your website. Put here again. You put more text here or you want. You press confirm. Then you see your ad is on review. Facebook want to send you one email saying when your ad been approving and running. And that's a pencil icon. You can make some edition for your ad. You want to make some change. And well, this is for today, my friend. I would like to say you that subscribe to my channel to see the different tutorials I'm going to make in the future. And that's it for today. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.